welcome back to another video. My name is Jenny Hansen-Lane. I have published over 517 books and grossed $106,000 of book royalties in 2.5 years. We had a question in our community about if you can publish your research papers on Amazon KDP. And the great thing about that is that yes, you can. It's free. The most important thing to think about when you're doing this is to have your copyright page in the front so you can declare that your work. You can also register it with the United States Copyright Office, and in the description below I will link a template for you to customize your own copyright. Being able to publish has never been easier. It's actually free on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. And back in the 90s and 80s, you had to ask someone for permission. You had to ask someone like, is this even a good idea? And they told you yes or no. So times have changed so much that you can establish your authority and publish your research papers. And I really have loved this as a marketing consultant and a course creator. People ask me all the time, well, they're actually waiting for me to put a book on Amazon about books. And I've been drafting things up because it is a great way for me to establish more authority in addition to the 700 YouTube videos and also sharing my income reports with you. One of the most important things to think about when you are publishing your professional work in terms of research papers and in terms of establishing authority is make sure that you include what makes your work different. And this comes from working with a trademark attorney. I've published and registered, copyrighted over 150 different covers to protect